Imagine you're at work and your inbox is flooded with emails. It's a common struggle for most of us. But what if you could organize your inbox just the way you like it? Yes, Gmail provides a powerful tool to do just that. Filters, or as some might call it, roles. Filters allow you to automate various actions for your incoming emails based on the criteria that you set. Boost your email efficiency. How to create labels in Gmail. Hi, I'm Allie from Hiver. Today we'll walk you through how to create these roles in Gmail for a more organized inbox. Picture this. You're a project manager and you get numerous emails every day from your team, clients, stakeholders, and so on. Some of these emails are updates from your team, some are invoices from vendors, and some are newsletters that you've subscribed to. Now, instead of going through every email, what if you could just create roles that automatically sort these emails into different labels or folders? Sounds convenient, doesn't it? Creating a role in Gmail is a simple process. First, you open Gmail, then in the search box at the top, click Show Search Options. Now you can choose what you'd like the filter to do, like if you want to label all these emails under a specific tab. Once you've made your choice, just click Create Filter again, and voila, you've just created a role in Gmail. Now let's put this into a real-life context. Say you're receiving project updates from your team member, Alex. You can create a role that automatically labels all emails from Alex as project updates. This way, you can easily find all project updates in one place under the Project Updates label. If you want to edit or delete a filter, you can do so by clicking Settings at the top right, then See All Settings, and then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here you can find the filter you'd like to change. Click Delete to remove the filter. If you're editing the filter, click Continue when you're done editing. Now, here's a pro tip. If you want an even more enhanced experience in organizing your inbox, you might want to consider Hiver. Hiver is a Gmail-centric customer service solution that takes your email management to the next level. With Hiver, you can create roles for your shared inboxes and perform actions like assigning emails to your team members or changing the status of emails. It brings a whole new level of automation and efficiency to email management. Make sure to check out www.hiverhq.com to learn more about how Hiver can transform your Gmail interface into a powerful and intuitive platform for email collaboration. So there you have it. By creating roles in Gmail, you can efficiently manage your emails, keeping your inbox clean and organized. And with tools like Hiver, you can take this a step further, making your email management even more efficient and effective. If you found value in this video, kindly share your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Additionally, don't forget to explore our complimentary productivity handbook for Google Workspace users, which contains comprehensive guidelines and suggestions to optimize your experience with Gmail and other G Suite applications. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming video.